Welcome to another episode of Blue Cam Group video. In this episode, we're going to share with you about the application of Blue Cam air conditioning cleaner. Thanks to Araba Auto Car Care to allow us to use his workshop to perform these demonstrations. So, first thing first guys, turn on your car, switch on your air conditioning system and allow the car running at the idling speed, and we will have to wait until it is up to operating temperature. So after that, all you need to do now is turn on the maximum fan speed, maximum air cooling temperature, and also turn the indoor circulation mode. And you need to wait for 10 minutes. So in this 10 minutes, the evaporator will producing the water, and this will works very well with our chemical to perform the cleaning. So what you need to do now is switch off the car, lift up the car, and you have to locate it where is the drain pipe. So normally air conditioning drain pipe is very easy to locate it. So for this car, the drain pipe is in here. Can you see it? You can see the drain pipe starting dripping the water. So that is the drain pipe for this car. So every car have different location of the drain pipe, and trust me guys, it's very easy to locate it. So now you have to use the Blue Cam air conditioning cleaner, the silicone tube, to insert to the drain pipe. So you have to insert it properly. So after that, you have to press the chemical and allow the chemical mix with the oxygen and the water to begin to expand. So in this process, the evaporator is now surrounded by the chemical with the water. So as you can see, the cleaning is already in the process, and the chemical will starting to drain through the drain pipe. So the process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So it's very easy application and it's fast and effective. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can begin to collect the contamination water drained from the air conditioning system. As you can see from this high definition camera, voila! The contamination water that we collected is so dirty. After that, the job is done. You can lift off your car and pay the bills with a smile, of course. Then you can have a pleasant driving experience of the day. So wish you good luck and have a pleasant day. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.